Hello everyone, in this slide I will explain Gantt chart. Let's read out the definition first. Gantt bar chart is a horizontal bar chart that visually represents a project plan over time. It shows the status of each task and who is responsible for each task in the project. It describes the timeline of the project, when the task is started and when it is ended. The progress status is also visualized. The schedule is illustrated. With this, tasks are planned, scheduled and tracked. Here you can see the important elements of the Gantt chart. The first is task list. All the project tasks are listed down here. Next is timeline. The time period for each task is visualized. Next is deadline. Date is also assigned to each task. Next is bars. Bars represent the task. It shows progress, duration, start date, end date of each task. Next is milestone. Important events are marked for the outcomes, for the deliverables. Next is dependencies. This shows the dependencies of each task. Next is progress. Progress can be visualized using bar shading. This represents how much work is completed in percentage. Next is resource assigned. This indicates the resources required to complete a task. This is the Gantt bar chart. Here you can see the start date as 2110 and end date as 3112. This is the reporting date, that is 2611, that is 26 November. For preliminary investigation, it starts at 2110 and completes at 1211. The gray color shows the task completion. Similarly, for the right report, its start date is 1211 and its completion date is 2611, but it has been somewhat completed till 1911. It is shown in using gray color. Okay, you can clearly see it. Similarly for other attributes also. Next is the function of Gantt chart. The Gantt chart plans the project, schedule the project, manage the project, monitor all the tasks which are present in the project. Next is define the task that require completion. The chart is displayed as a horizontal bar chart as you have seen in earlier slide. Next is horizontal bars of different lengths represents the project timeline. Yes, this includes the task sequence, task duration, task start date and task end dates. Next is the benefits of Gantt chart. It defines all the tasks which are executing in parallel and dependent tasks. It organizes the high-level task and resource allocation. It detects the potential bottlenecks and identify the tasks that may have been excluded from the project timeline. The bars represent which tasks are completed. Okay, it depicts the task slack time. Okay, means which time the task can be completed, what is the free time. Okay, this is all about Gantt chart.